Hello friends, Running Kimono here. It is Thursday, January the 15th, and we are doing the midweek haul today. We're at Walgreens, we're at the Dollar General, and we're at Meijer. Big news for the Dollar General shoppers and that quarter sale. I have some information that's coming in the packaging of a rumor and a whisper, but I've had many managers through friends corroborate that the quarter sale is toast this year. We'll talk about that in a quick second, and I'm not very happy about it either. So let's get right into Walgreens, and then we're going to hit Dollar General secondly, and we're going to talk about it. Okay, so the first store we're talking about is Walgreens, and on Wednesday the 14th, a lot of us got boosters. I got a 7 back when you spend 35 and a 5 back when you spend 20 on one card, along with the 4 back when you buy 2 dental care products. Now, the dental care one, everybody should get. The other boosters, it's always your miles may vary. So just go and see what you might be able to find and load them right away. The first terrific deal this week is for very cheap soft soap, these really large containers for $2.49, and that's what we like. And this week they are $5.99 each. And we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon to go with. And IBOTTA dropped a $1 rebate, which is really nice. So we're just going to jog through this really quickly. And this is the 4 off 2 that you have to load. And IBOTTA, there is a $1 back with a limit of 1. And if you have not signed up for IBOTTA and you want to save money in the new year with this tremendous app, use the link in the notes. And when you use my referral code link, when you submit your first qualifying receipt, you are given a $5 bonus on your first qualifying receipt. So it's a really great app, and we do a lot of deals here with IBOTTA. Okay, so grabbing 2 of these at $5.99, that's going to be $11.98. Subtracting that $4 digital coupon, you're paying $7.98. Getting back a $2 register reward, a buck back from IBOTTA, making it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 for these really large refills. I love it when we get cheap hand soap. It's my favorite thing. So go and make this deal happen. Another great deal this week is with the Dove shampoo at $5. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and it's a $4 reward when you purchase 2. And here it is, guys. Load this digital coupon, and if it doesn't come off for you in store, you can always contact customer service for a missed coupon. So 2 of these for 10, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but $1 for these shampoos, it's definitely a stock up price for very inexpensive shampoo. You can grab 2 shampoos or 2 conditioners or mix and match, whatever you wish. And the final deal I'm going to show you is a $30 basket that I used with this specific booster, the 10 back when you spend 30. I did grab 3 more bags of the Poise pads on this one store card, $10 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3. I know that my mom, I think she might have used Poise before, but she goes through some of these, so I know she's really going to appreciate them. And we have a $2.50 off of 1 and a $6 off of 2. I'm going to let you know that $2.50 off of 1, it did not come off for me, so I had to call customer service. So just be mindful of that. So 3 of those pads, and then I also grabbed 2 of those soft soaps because that was a deal I did not want to pass up on this store card. So yeah, this is the exact cart that I had, and I think it was like $32 altogether. So let's just jog through the math really quickly. In store again, 2 of those soft soaps for $11.98, and then 3 of the Poise for $21. The total there is $32.98. I had that e-booster loaded. I had $12.50 in digital manufacturers right there. 4 for soft soap, and then $8.50 for Poise. Only 6 came off for Poise, so I had to get comp for that last $2.50 after. So in theory, $20.48 with my debit card. Maybe it was the pads that I picked up. Who knows? You got to use your debit card because it's a spend booster that I'm using. Debit, credit, or cash bills. And then I got back a $2 register reward for the soft soap and $20 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the booster and 10 for Poise, and $1 back from IBOTTA, making this haul free and a $2 moneymaker. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. However, if you have register rewards from other deals that you want to throw into the mix so you have a smaller out of pocket, by all means go for that. And you might want to moonwalk down that candy aisle. Lots of Haribo, 70 cents or cheaper. So if you have a sweet tooth or you want to get those Valentine's Day baskets organized, definitely go down that aisle at your local Walgreens. Now, okay, the Dollar General. And guys, I want to say I've been couponing and clearance hunting for 10 plus years at this specific store for this specific sale. I have never seen anything quite like this. There are several rumors on the internet and several managers that are corroborating it. And I was in a store yesterday evening and I just about fell over because I'm like, where is everything? A lot of you in the comments of my video yesterday were saying, hey, it's all gone. And I was like, pash, man, not around here. I found 2 stores completely picked clean, like the Grinch was there. Here's the thing, on Tuesday the 20th, whatever's remaining that you can find will probably penny out. We'll have to wait for the official memo, but apparently stores for weeks have been clearing everything out. They want everything sent back to head office. Is it going to be auctioned off to like a resale rabbit that has like, you know, some sort of a bin store that sells seasonal shelf pulls? Or is it going to be repackaged for next year? I don't know, guys. None of us know. But the fact that they did Halloween and autumn up to 90%, but Christmas is a no. Huge disservice to a lot of the shoppers that wanted this stuff for a quarter. And a lot of us were going to pay out. And we were ready, especially with ornaments and the many tags and stuff like that. Other little cute items that we would use as fixtures for projects and stuff, especially ornaments too for crafters. So I don't know the 100% specifics. I don't want to confuse you guys. So I did make my video from yesterday private because, I mean, I don't want to add to more mass confusion of this, but something's in the works. I'm thinking that when we get the official memo, if this is all going to penny out on Tuesday, but a lot of stores are probably like mine where it is picked clean, clear. There are some other items that are following Christmas, some air care and some pans and other items. But I'm just going to pause that video for now because it is, wow, it is really something. And again, in my 10 years, I've never seen anything like this. And I think the company would make more money auctioning it off than selling it for a quarter. So that's what's happening. And yeah. I was just shocked when I saw these stores just completely cleared. Tried to ask a couple cashiers, but most of the cashiers were young kids and they just had no idea what I was talking about. I was in my store last night. I did find 2 of these Febreze small spaces and they're both holiday scents. So with the $2.50 digital coupon, they were complete freebies. I did it over 2 different store cards. So, you know, if you are tap dancing around the air care aisle or if it's on a side cap, look for these 2, and with the digital coupons, it's a freebie. When I get more information about the Dollar General Christmas merchandise, I will share on Instagram or make another quick video here. And I apologize about the confusion, guys. We still definitively don't know what's going on, but just to be smart, that video is now private. Okay, Ross's Dress for Less. So on the 12th at this one location, the employees started marking down a lot of the Christmas at 49 cents. So I know that the definitive date for this is the 26th, but a lot of stores with a lot of inventory, they just decided to make it 49 cents, and that's happened in years previous. I did show up 2 days late. I was there on Wednesday, and for the most part, a lot of stuff was cleared or stuff I just wasn't interested in. But I'm just going to show you, like in regular aisles with the stuff, the employees have to manually put these reduced tags that say 49 cents on everything. So it does take a bit. Hopefully your store wasn't, already marked down like mine was and everybody and their grandmother already bought everything. But I did find some stuff that I didn't even buy, including that pillow and then these, a placemat 15-inch round, so you put a bowl or something over that. I mean, it can be cute when it's styled, but I just didn't like all the red. And some decorative tinsel or garland, and that little glass ornament that says is Ross's Dress for Less. I mean, I can easily change that and make it a different store. So cute. That teddy bear, I did buy him. I found a bunch of the mugs for 49 cents with the little cookies. I have plans for those. And a lot of those little stir wands, They had them in different candy cane flavors, and they had a ton of them for 49 cents. So, if you have a bunch of littles, that might be a fun afternoon. It's been so flippin' cold. Just to show you guys the receipt, and I would definitely get out there when you are doing this sort of shopping where you're looking for 49-cent items. It's like penny shopping. You need a lot of time, especially if you're not very familiar with the store. I did find one box of chocolates that looked Christmassy, and the cashier just scanned another item to give it to me, which was super nice of her. So yeah, get out to Ross's sooner than later. And I would go every week until the 26th because different parts of the store, they'll keep marking it down. The last store that we're at is Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest. And it's only in a couple of states, but I know a lot of you are in the Midwest and you follow me, so I'm just going to share this one little freebie. Definitely open up your shop and scan and toss in or start a cart and throw into these Vaseline. It has to be the original lip therapy, this exact one. Cocoa butter is not working. With the 4 off 2, it makes both of them completely free. They're $1.59 each. The 2 stores that are near me, both of them were completely cleared out. So they must have had like a buy 2, save $3, and somebody just bought all of them. But if you might have this in store and it's still working for you, you're going to get 2 of them for free with this digital coupon. So move on this deal. Also, home mailer time. I got this on my husband's card, and usually you get 1 freebie per account per lifetime, no, per month or whatever. It fluctuates between mine and my husband what the freebie is, but he got a home mailer for a free gallon of milk and up to 2 dozen eggs. So I'm definitely gonna take advantage of these. So if you get home mailers from Meijer, don't throw them out. Open them up. High value coupons you might get. I also found more 90% off Christmas. The peanuts, these little star faces are for pimples. They were $1.49 or $1.19 each. And then on my main card, I had a free Skintimate shave gel. So I got that completely for free. So that Snoopy one with the pattern, definitely look in the beauty aisle. You might find some 90, and here it is, a week after their big 90% clearance event, and I found those, so I was pretty happy with that. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.